Good morning, day 3, 75 hard. You know, they say the early bird gets the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. What does that mean? I don't know. Get up early and do shit, but it's also okay if you don't get up that early. But like, your chances of success are probably greater if you get up and start doing the things, especially with 75 hard. Like, you have to front load. You have to get a lot done early in the day, because the last thing you want to do is be chugging half a gallon of water at 8 p.m. and still got a workout left. It's not fun. I've done it. I don't recommend it. So get up, get the worm, get the cheese, get the bread, get the cheddar, or whatever. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you soon. Hey, pro tip for you: if you are trying to get more protein in your food, find some beef and rice, just added some yogurt to it. Creamy goodness. Do it. Make good choices. All right, the end. Well, it's not the end yet because I'm still awake and I still got a couple hours, but all my tasks are finished for day 3 of 75 hard. Once again, looked a whole lot like the other couple of days. And again, having done this a few times, I know that even for myself, it takes a few days to kind of get in the groove and find your rhythm, find your cadence, find your schedule, figure out when you're going to get your workouts in, figure out how you're going to get your water in, make sure that you are prepared with your nutrition. That may be one of the hardest things of all, is just because you're eliminating the junk food, you're eliminating a lot of things that maybe you normally eat. Not all the time, but you eat sometimes because food's fucking delicious. You really have to just plan better. So it's a time management thing, it's a planning thing, it's a scheduling thing. But I know after a couple more days, I'm really gonna just kind of be in the groove of things. It'll be great. And right now, I'm just hanging out with this little nugget. He is the absolute best. So just know, like, I'm also a father and a husband, and I run a business. So I'm not just like, it's not just me doing this with no other responsibilities, even though it may feel like that or seem like that watching videos. Like, oh, all I do is eat and work out all day long, but I definitely have a life I'm living as well. So fitting all this stuff in it's a challenge, but it's a great challenge, and I never regret doing this. I always learn from this. I'm always better down the road for doing this. So keep tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more, and we'll keep making good choices, making America healthy again, doing all the things. Y'all have a great night.